Okay. Inna Allah la yastahi. So inna, you remember I call it harf nasab. Okay. If you want to call that other fancy name, you can use that name as well. And that is harf mushabbah bil fail. Or you simply call harf nasab. There's no problem in that. Okay. Now, obviously, after every inna family word, you need the ism of inna. So Allah will become the ism of inna. And then you need the khabar of inna. La yastahi. La yastahi is actually this whole thing. La yastahi. La is la of negation, and yastahi is fail mudare. Yastahi is istahya, yastahi. Istahya is madi, yastahi is mudare. And there's a reason why I said is yastahi. Inshallah, I will explain this point. And by the way, I have made a long list, inshallah, of those things which I will be, inshallah, gradually explaining for you in the coming session. So leave it with me. But la yastahi, there's a reason I said it this way. Okay. Now, for now, we simply say that this la yastahi is the khabar of anna. Sorry, inna. It's a complete sentence. Yastahi fail mudare number 1. It has a built-in file, and that file is huwa. So yastahi is a complete sentence which has yastahi as the fail mudare number 1 and huwa as its file. Now look at this one. Let's translate. Look, inna Allah, indeed Allah, la yastahi, does not shy away. Haya mean to have shyness. Allah does not feel. Obviously, I'm a bit reluctant to use the word shy and haya because we have our own human limitation for these words. But inshallah, what we can do, this is a limitation of language. Otherwise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has its haya as it is worthy to the shan of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We don't go into the detail. We simply say that it means whatever Allah meant. Okay. So in Allah, indeed Allah, la yastahi, does not shy away. Now look at this. If I say some person is not shy, the legitimate question is shy from what? Now next thing is giving you the answer of what, which means that this next thing, inshallah, which I explain to you in a minute, this next thing is actually becoming your maf'ul. It is becoming maf'ul for who? For yastahi. So yastahi. So basically, it is a complete, the whole thing is the khabar. La yastahi an yadriba masalam ma ba'udatan fama fawqaha. The whole thing is khabar. Why? Because inshallah we see in a minute that whole thing is a jumla of yastahi. Now, inside of yastahi, you got two things. You got fail plus you got file. Okay. So fail and file, and maf'ul is this one. Now, inside the maf'ul part, please pay extra attention. You remember I said before that whenever you have jumla ismiya of anna, that jumla does not remain jumla anymore. It plays the role of one thing, one integral thing, like one ism. In case of jumla failure, there are some other as well, but most of the time there are two words, and these are the two words. One of them is an, and other one is ma. In case of jumla ismiya, there's only one word, and that is anna. And in case of jumla failure, two words, an and ma. An and ma. And by the way, obviously ma has many types. I am talking about ma masdariya, not any ma. just ma masdariya. Okay. And by the way, okay, before I explain this point, an and ma are those two words which will change the complete jumla failure into one word. That will not remain jumla anymore. That will behave like one word. As in this case, it will behave like one word in nasab status. Why? Because this whole thing is going to play the role of maf'ul. Right? So, an, this, and by the way, those words, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Those words are in the case of jumla ismiya, this word, and in the case of jumla failure, these two words, we call them masdariya. Basically, you can say an masdariya or anna masdariya or ma masdariya. And what it means, what I said before, that whatever will come, please pay attention to this sentence. When a masdariya particle comes, like an or ma or anna, after them, whatever jumla will be there, that jumla is transformed into one word. That is why we call them masdariya, that they have changed the whole thing into masdar. And masdar is actually one word. And inshallah, this discussion will be in more detail when we discuss the subject of masdar. But I am giving you all of these hints ahead of time. Okay, so let me just summarize what I said before. Anna is called harf masdariya. Why? Because anna will transform the next jumla ismiya into one word, like one masdar. In the case of jumla failiya, an and ma, these two words we call them masdariya. Why? Because whatever jumla failure will come after them, that whole jumla failure will not be a jumla anymore. It will become like a one word. Now, yadriba, you can see it should be yadribu, but because of an, it has become yadriba. Okay, so it is basically fail mudare. Yadribu is fail mudare, which has become yadriba, and this it has built in file, and that file is huwa. Masalan is the maf'ul. Masalan is the maf'ul, and we have discussed about this ma, that this ma becomes the sifa. For who? For masalan. And if you, inshallah, if you have watched already, you know what I'm saying. If you have not watched, I will request you to see, please, the video on the types of ma. At that time, I discussed this example, that this ma is a particular type of ma which behaves as the sifa for the word before it. Masalan will become mausuf and ma will become the sifa, which means that this maf'ul bucket has these two things. Masalan, ma is in the bucket of maf'ul. Look at this one. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, la yastahi, does not shy away, and that yadriba, he gives or he strike masalan, any example, ma, any example. Masala mean a example. Masalan ma, any example. Allah does not shy that he strikes any example. Okay, now next word is ba'udatan. Ba'udatan. I want you to look at the i'rab or look at the status of ba'udatan, and you can clearly see that ba'udatan is having exactly the same i'rab as masalan. Masalan and ba'udatan, they are matching in their properties. So actually ba'udatan, there are two opinions. You can call it the sifa for masalan, or you can call it badal for masalan. So inna Allah la yastahi masalan ba'udatan and then this fa is the atifa. Okay, and this ma is mausula, it's a mausul, and fawqaha is the sila. So this ma fawqaha is a relative clause. I'll just put it here. It's a relative clause. Ma is ism, because you know ism mausul, okay? There are two categories of ism mausul. One is the allazi family, and other category is ma and man. These two words, ma and man, they are also in the bucket of ism mausul, because ism mausul has two categories. Allazi family is category number 1. We call this one ism mausul khas, and other category is called ism mausul am. In the category of am, you have two words, ma and man, and it is basically gives the meaning of what or whatever. Okay, so ba'udatan. What is ba'udatan? Anyone knows?
Mosquito.
Excellent. Ba'udatan, mosquito. So look at this one. Mosquito, fa, and, but this and is giving the meaning of or, O-R-R. Mosquito or ma fawqaha, ma fawqa, whatever is above it. Fawqa and ha. Please pay attention. Ma, this ma is a mausul, and fawqaha is the sila. In the sila bucket, what do you have? Fawqa is special mudaf, and ha is the mudaf ilay. Because remember this point. Remember this point very carefully. Okay? Sila. Sila will appear in two forms. How many forms? Two forms. Form number 1 is a complete sentence. And form number 2 is that in the sila, you get special mudaf fragment or jar majroor fragment, which we call basically shibul jumla. So sila is one of these two things, either a complete sentence or shibul jumla. In the case of this one, look at this one. Ma is ism mausul. Fawqaha is a special mudaf, which we call shibul jumla. So ma and fawqaha is a relative clause, and this fa is joining them. Ba'udatan and ma fawqaha, they are connected through this fa. You see, maybe you can't see this fa, but this fa is here. Ba'udatan fa ma fawqaha. So ba'udatan and ma fawqaha, they are connected to each other. So like I said, that ba'udatan is either the sifa for masalan, or it is the badal for masalan. So which means that masalan, if you call this one as sifa, then masalan has two sifa. Ma, it was also sifa, and ba'udatan fama fawqaha, the whole thing will go into one bucket. Why? Because ba'udatan and ma fawqaha, they are connected as matuf and matuf alay. Ba'udatan is matuf alay, and ma fawqaha is the matuf, and fa is the harf ataf. So ba'udatan fama fawqaha, the whole thing is either the badal for masala, or it is the sifa for masala. Let's translate it, inshallah. Indeed, Allah does not shy away that he strikes any example, a mosquito or anything above it. You see, when you translate, then you feel that this ba'udatan fama fawqaha is giving the description for masalan. That which masalan? Ba'udatan fama fawqaha, of a mosquito or anything above it. Okay, now